Moe moe. Use to start a Siva Samoa. Take 3 steps forward and kick 1 foot back with your head following your foot. Se'e. The graceful gliding motion. With your feet heel to heel, then alternative toe to toe. These movements will move your body sideways. Ifo. A dance move to signal the start and end of your performance to show respect to your audience.
Matango fiele aso muai amua Sauni mailau pati maleko tupulanga samo maefa afia fia Efa abae Samoa ile atua Olofa